In the ever-competitive digital landscape, achieving high search engine rankings is paramount for online visibility and success. Google, the undisputed king of search, constantly refines its algorithms to deliver the most relevant and trustworthy results to users. One crucial factor that significantly influences these rankings is EEAT. Understanding and mastering Google EEAT is no longer optional. It's an absolute necessity for anyone looking to thrive online. Imagine searching for medical advice online. Would you trust a random blogger with no medical background? Or would you prefer information from a reputable medical institution? Google thinks the same way. EEAT helps Google determine if your website is a trustworthy source worthy of a top spot in search results. This essay will delve deep into Google EEAT, explaining its components and why they are essential. We'll explore practical steps to improve your website's EEAT and discuss the role of AI in this domain. Real-world examples will illustrate these concepts, making it easier to understand their impact. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of EEAT and how to leverage it for online success. EEAT stands for Experience, Expertise, Authoritativeness, and Trustworthiness. These 4 pillars work together to establish your website's credibility in the eyes of both users and search engines. Let's break down each element. Experience refers to the first-hand involvement of the content creator with the topic. Have they personally experienced the product, service, or concept they're writing about? Expertise signifies the depth and breadth of knowledge possessed by the content creator in the relevant field. Are they qualified to speak on the subject matter? Authoritativeness points to the overall reputation and recognition of the website and its authors within the industry. Are they considered thought leaders in their niche? Trustworthiness forms the foundation of EEAT, encompassing the website's legitimacy, security, and transparency. Do users feel safe and confident relying on the information provided? Understanding these 4 pillars is crucial because Google uses them to evaluate the quality and trustworthiness of your website's content. By focusing on improving each element, you can signal to Google that your website is a reliable source of information, ultimately boosting your search rankings. In the world of online content, experience is king. When users sense that the information comes from someone who has been there, done that, it resonates on a deeper level. Personal anecdotes, case studies, and insights gleaned from first-hand involvement create a powerful connection with the audience. Think about a travel blog. Vivid descriptions of destinations, personal stories about encounters with locals, and practical tips based on the blogger's own travel experiences make the content more engaging and trustworthy. Readers are more likely to trust recommendations from someone who has personally visited the destination and experienced its nuances. Integrating personal experiences into your content not only makes it more relatable, but also enhances its EEAT score. Google recognizes the value of authentic, experience-based information and rewards websites that provide it. By sharing your unique experiences, you demonstrate a depth of understanding that goes beyond surface-level research. Section 4. Demonstrating expertise, building authority through knowledge. Expertise is another crucial aspect of EEAT. It's not enough to simply write about a topic. You need to demonstrate a deep understanding of the subject matter. This means going beyond basic research and showcasing your knowledge through well-researched, insightful, and accurate content. For instance, if your website provides financial advice, you need to demonstrate your expertise in finance. This could involve showcasing relevant qualifications, citing credible sources, and providing in-depth analysis based on your knowledge of financial markets and investment strategies. Demonstrating expertise builds trust with your audience. When readers see that you possess a strong command of the subject matter, they are more likely to perceive your content as authoritative and reliable. This, in turn, enhances your website's EEAT and boosts your search rankings. Section 5. Establishing authoritativeness recognition beyond your website. Authoritativeness refers to how well-respected and recognized you are within your industry or niche. It's about building a reputation as a trusted source of information that others look to for guidance and insights. Unlike expertise, which focuses on your knowledge, authoritativeness is about how others perceive you. Building authoritativeness involves various strategies, such as earning backlinks from reputable websites, being featured in industry publications, and getting positive mentions on social media. These off-page signals indicate to Google that your website is a trusted source of information within your field. Think of it like earning badges of honor in the online world. Each backlink, mention, or feature from a reputable source adds to your credibility and authority. The more recognition you receive from trusted sources, the stronger your authoritativeness becomes, ultimately contributing to a higher EEAT score. Section 6. Trustworthiness, the foundation of online success. Trustworthiness underpins all other aspects of EEAT. It's the foundation upon which your online reputation is built. Without trust, even the most experienced and knowledgeable experts will struggle to gain traction online. Users need to feel confident that the information they're consuming is accurate, unbiased, and reliable. Building trustworthiness involves being transparent about your methods, citing credible sources, and ensuring your website is secure and user-friendly. Displaying contact information prominently, having clear privacy policies, and avoiding misleading or deceptive practices are crucial for establishing trust. In an era of misinformation and online scams, trustworthiness is paramount. By prioritizing transparency, accuracy, and user security, you can build a loyal audience that trusts your brand and relies on your content. This trust translates into higher engagement, increased conversions, and ultimately a stronger EEAT score.